Mortgage interest rates dropped for the first time in almost 2 months of upward movement, providing some buyers a chance to back into a lower mortgage rate than anticipated. Homeowners who have not yet refinanced out of a higher mortgage interest rate are encouraged to do so to lock in to a lower monthly payment. The average 30-year fixed rate mortgage dropped to 3.1% last week. This is down 5 basis points from 3.18% in the prior week and down from 3.33% last year. It's Friday, April 16th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Let's look at county by county median sales price changes. Anne Arundel County prices are up 11.3% to $395,000. Baltimore City prices are up 32.6% to $190,000. Baltimore County prices are up 10.4% to $276,000. Calvert County prices are up 2.9% to $360,000. Caroline County prices are up 42.3% to $241,947. Carroll County prices are up 11.9% to $363,500. Cecil County prices are up 19.6% to $275,000. Charles County is up 13.5% to $355,000. Dorchester County is up 19.2% to $208,500. Hartford County prices are up 9.6% to $285,000. Howard County prices are up 6.1% to $445,000. Kent County prices are up 17.7% to $249,000. Montgomery County is up 10% to $495,000. Prince George's County prices are up 7.7% to $350,000. Queen Anne's County prices are up 19.7% to $399,949. St. Mary's County is up 7.4% to $320,000. Talbot County prices are up 21.5% to $395,000. Overall, Maryland home prices are up 15% year to date. So if you are looking to buy, you will be paying 15% more than the same home you would have last March. With the combined reduction in interest rates, however, you may actually come out ahead long term. Consider that. That's a wrap for this Friday, April 16th, 2021. As always, give me a call at 443-837-5645 if you have any questions. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.